Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your the main app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. So then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for then the main, or just click on search, then here add then the main, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for then the main, it's going to show for you like this. You'll find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.